How to fix hotspot if grayed out on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. This problem can happen especially when you are running out of your mobile data or if something goes wrong with your SIM card. Or sometimes it can also happen because of minor software glitches. To fix this, launch the Settings application on your device. Tap on Cellular and then tap on Network selection and make sure it is set to Automatic. Next, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Once restarted, check if the problem has been fixed or not. If not, go ahead and eject your SIM card and place it back on to check whether you are being able to use or share your personal hotspot with your friends or not. Even after that, if you are still having the same problem, the next option is Open Settings again and tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Check if the hotspot grayed out is fixed or not. If not, the last option is to restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together until you see the slide to power off option. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. Restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.